day, Growsmarters. My name is Charnelle. I hope that you are energized and revitalized for our creative writing lesson today. It can be found in the Growsmart newspaper, 2nd edition. The title of today's lesson is It's Punny, and I have a funny joke to share with you. Why doesn't eggs make jokes? They'll crack each other up. Let's delve into what pun is. A pun is a literary device known as a play on words. This figure of speech can have multiple meanings or similar sounding words with different meanings. Let's stick with egg puns for a while. An egg for breakfast is not easy to beat. Get it? Puns are generally used to create humor, but it must be noted that it can also be used in non-humorous ways. Let's take a deep dive into 5 different types of pun. Number 1, homophonic pun. This type of pun is when we use words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have a different meaning. For example, a bicycle cannot stand on its own because it's too tired. Do you get it? The play on words like too tired. Number 2, compound pun. This type of pun contains more than one pun in a sentence. For example, everyone thinks that my runny nose is funny, but it's not. Did you hear that it almost sounds like snot? Number 3, homographic pun. This is a play on words that are spelled the same but have a different meaning. These puns must be read to be understood. For example, every calendar's days are numbered. Number 4, visual pun. This type of pun does not contain any writing but uses images to convey the pun. For example, an onion ring or a USB. Number 5, recursive pun. This pun has 2 parts. You have to understand the first part for the second part to make sense. For example, may the 4th be with you. So you would only get it if you are a Star Wars fan, also bearing in mind that Star Wars Day is actually on the 4th of May. I hope that you learned something about pun today. Remember to find this lesson on page 8 in the Growsmart newspaper. So, do not worry, be happy. Until next time, keep growing smarter.